Last week though, started out as a bad day. Then I met two beautiful ladies.
So, what are we up to today?
Well, we're about to go to Peapot and we're about to play in the park.
You about to
play in the park.
Sing and play in the park? Sing and play in the park? And what instrument is that?
A guitar. Her hair stuck in the guitar.
I've seen a lot of Dragon Con stuff.
My Instagram is Ajane_aka_.
Look at her, she
Mine
blushing.
is Philo by the kilo.
Oh,
Gang,
kilo by the kilo.
Sup, son?
We got him
Follow
right
me.
here.
Follow me, y'all.
You don't know what Dragon Con is? It's like Comic Con, where adults dress up as characters and be as weird as they want to be. It's like they were singing to me.
You're the water that I need in the morning. Your message in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
Oh, it was great.
That's what I'm talking about around here.
Oh my God. Y'all can follow me though.
Follow.
Ajane, AJINAE _AKA _
I put
fun
in the
size.
link below. How about that?
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Cool. PHILO.
PHILO. Later.
Ladies, I enjoyed it.
Appreciate it.
Made my day.
Oh, thanks.
But then comes the night shift.
Why are you out so late driving?
Me?
Does this not scare you when people get in your car this late at night?
This is the perfect time to drive.
Hey, you crazy?
Are you crazy?
I ain't scared.
You
ain't
must
scared.
be packed and loaded
I
or
ain't
something.
scared. They need to be scared of me. What are they getting in
Find
here?
out.
Yeah.
Dragon Con 2018. I'm gonna leave a note on the back of your window.
What's it gonna say?
Kiss my ass.
I got some hot girls from Dragon Con up in here.
Yes. Jinx in the house.
Straight up.
First I thought it was a guy dressed as a cop. But then when I seen the way he was holding dude, I was like, oh, nah, he's getting arrested.
No, you cannot have a cookie. I'll get you a cookie.
I was like, you know, I went.
If you wanted one, I'll get you one.
I went to the front desk because I was trying to surprise you. I was going to ask him for the room.
You gonna lick it? You something else, man. I might lick it too.
Are you a nasty ass? With your little bald head. Let me find
Look
it.
at you. Look at that.
That's the trend right now.
Now.
It's not the front. There is a turnaround area.
Yeah, I got you.
Right here is right on the corner almost.
The corner.
Almost. He picking me up this late. You picking up a strange woman. I can choke you right now.
Yep, she said that.
I take this in a building right now, you start choking.
You probably want
Right
to take
through
this
the
to the building.
Not the first time. This is like the third time a lady told me she'll do that.
Bye.
know we probably annoyed you. I'm sorry.
I'm not sorry.
No, I'm good.
All right.
All right, yo.
Appreciate it. You
All
have
right,
a good one.
later.
That ride was fun. I had a good time. But I wonder, what if I would have went and got that cookie? Until next time, smile up.